back for another video on the Lowrider. So today we're going to be installing a brand new flash tune with the PV4 or the Power Vision 4, which I'm really excited to see the power difference that it has on this bike. And so we're going to get into the install and then we'll get going. While we're getting started on this, so I've got this new dyno Jet Power Vision 4, which I'm super excited. I'll show you a few things. So I wish it let me turn the camera around, but it won't. So I'm gonna swap to the next video real fast, and then I'll show you guys where to plug this in. So this is the left side of the Lowrider S. This little red right here, that's the diagnostic port. So that's where you're gonna be plugging this Power Vision into. So just take that panel off and then unhook this and you plug it in, and then everything else is gonna be going through the app. Okay, so first step is make sure that you have that turned on. So this has power, and then we're gonna move to the app. So this first part is where you're going to back up your ECU. So click continue and it'll have a firmware update. Then now we're going to end up going and looking for the tune. So we're going to let it load for a minute. And now we're going to be at this side. We're going to see everything. You're going to select what modifications you have. So I selected full system. And when we went to it, it didn't have any options for mine because I have the stock air filter still. So it's going to pop up nothing. So what I did is I went back, I read the ECU, and then I ended up clicking. I found a map that ended up just having the stock intake and the 2-to-2 exhaust. So after this reads the ECU, you'll end up seeing me select that. And that's what's we're going to tune on. So we're going to do the stock to high flow and then the 2-in-2 exhaust. If you have a high flow, then just select the one that says high flow plus the exhaust that you have. So now we're going to move through here. So now you're going to end up seeing right here that we're scrolling through here to find that tune that I was talking about. So all of these will show all the different mods and stages and so on and so forth that you're able to do. So right here, we're going to end up clicking the one that says the stock, high flow, and the 2-2. So that's going to require an upgrade. Check and make sure you have enough battery power for it to flash the tune. So it's going to check, it's going to say license required. You're going to end up getting a token. You're going to say claim token. And then from there, you're going to hit redeem token. And then that's going to continue on the tune so it can license as well as install everything on your ECU. Then now it's going to end up saying upgrade complete, so it has to install an update on your ECU. And now we're going to start the tune. So down at the bottom, it's going to say flash tune. So you're just going to click that, make sure that your ACC is on or your auxiliary power, and let it tune. Okay, so once you're all done, I just left mine hooked up right here. I zip tied it here, ran it up underneath right here. And then I put it right there because with auto tune you can sit and you can watch kind of what your bike does, and I just kind of wanted that feature. So I took the seat off and just kind of did that so that I can just keep an eye on it. But I'm super excited and I'm ready to kind of go give her a spin.